So good morning all of you student on this fresh Monday morning. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the what to say it is lockdown, but actually it is not about enjoyment. We have to protect ourselves, we have to remain safe, and we have to protect our family and our society. So here we are with our English 1 subject, and today we are going to section number B, that is back from the brink. Okay, a lesson here is which is it is an extracted edited by Rita Banerjee and Maya Ghosla. Now in this story, okay, we are going to know about wild animals plus our northeast regions, and how the animals in the northeast region are actually the how safe they are, or about the documentary made by Rita Banerjee and his and her colleagues, fellows like some of the filmmakers there. So here we are with the story. Let us start the story today. Deep in a forest in northeast, okay, in a northeast region, in a forest, in a very deep forest, Tai was a fellow there who actually uh, he actually climbed up a tree. Try climb up a tree with his backpack. Backpack means a kind of a bag, hanging backside. Sometimes we can see some people used to come to our villages areas also, from like selling turmerics and some other things, hanging backside in their bags. So like that bags he had in his backside, and with that bag he climbed up a tree, and he climbed up to 9 meter high of the tree. And after that, after climbing the tree, he was he just find a support of another one tree. From that tree, in that tree there was a handmade trap. Okay, handmade ट्रैप मतलब एक जाल बिछाया गया था, हिंदी में अगर कहा जाए तो हैंडमेड ट्रैप यू कैन से. इन दैट हैंडमेड ट्रैप, फ्रॉम दैट हैंडमेड ट्रैप he take out a small type of animal which is called squirrel. Squirrel, I hope all of you know that what is squirrel. Squirrel is a kind of animal which you found in tree mostly. They are gray in color and having a long tail. So when he slide down from the tree, okay, when he slide down from the tree, it was really easy when he slide down, but it is really very hard when he climb up. So when he slide down from the tree, it was the time was counted. Okay, the time was calculated by the documentary makers Rita Banerjee and her friends. So it was only 30 seconds. So once he came down, when Tai came down, he hand over that squirrel to one of his friend. His name was Maga. Okay, Maga took the squirrel and he put in his backpack. Okay, so this is the starting of the story, how the story start, how the documentary start by Rita Banerjee in the northeast region of the forest. So now Mega took the squirrel, turned it over, and then placed it in his backpack. As he continued along the path, slipping and sliding across the leaf litter, our companions pointed out other traps on the way. So while going to on the way, the documentary makers, they follow some other trap also, which was handmade, and it was planned by these peoples, those who are very experienced peoples for huntings and all. So camera in hand, we unsteadily crossed gushing streams on bridges, made a single tree trunk. Jargo mimicked the sound of a barking deer found in distress, hoping to lure its mother. So what happened? On the way, suddenly another one fellow, okay, another one from in the jungle, northeast jungle. His name was Jargo. Okay, Jargo. He tried to create a sound. They tried to create a sound of a mother there. Now Rita Banerjee, the filmmaker, according to her, she is saying that actually might Jargo was trying to create the sound to what? To just mimic the sound to distress, to distress that mother want for her child actually, and in that condition they can hunt the deer. So that was the actually plan for them. Dense forest crowded around us, making it impossible to see further than a few meters ahead, for our pace was much slower than we hoped. So the forest was a really dense one. It was really very thick one. It was not possible to see very far distance. So it was really impossible for them to do their work very easily. So our pace was means they were slow. Our pace actually it means the speed or what in which they were walking. It really really very difficult for them. They cannot walk in very speedy manner. We continued to film the three young men and walk until evening before settling down at a clearing. So they, Rita Banerjee, okay, the filmmakers and the three young men. These three young men were they were in the jungle and they were making the documentaries, and until and unless they reach to a proper place where they can stay or take a rest, they did not stop their works. Our nice companion brewed black tea and we sat around a small fire. As I gazed into the flame, I recall how our sojourn in the northeast began. So finally, after a long distance, they sat in a place and a group called NICE, okay. There is a NICE group who prepared, this group prepared black tea for them, and they sat together there for having that black tea. And on that circumstance, what happened? Rita Banerjee thought about the beginning of their Northeast region, how they started making a documentary of Northeast regions. So here it is about that what he thought or what he recalled about. So let us see what is that. In 2002, we filmed the very first re-evolution of two Himalayan black bear cubs. So it was not about the present time, it was about 2002 when first time Rita Banerjee and her friends started the documentary of two Himalayan black bear cubs which were orphaned by hunting in the Paki National Park in Arunachal Pradesh. But sadly, we know that even with a successful relocation, nothing stopped the bear for being hunted down or again as an adult. So here they are saying that sadly, it was very sad matter that after relocation nothing stopped. Means actually they are what they are preparing for, what they are working for. They are working not for just enjoying, not for taking any kind of interest in that. They are working for stopping the hunting of wildlife in the northeastern region. That was the main motive for them, and that made them sad that after a long hard work they are doing for the animals, but nothing can stop the bears for being hunted down again as adult. So they were not successful because they can't stop this by doing lots of work. They can't stop this. So hopefully here we are with our video, and I think I have explained something from the story to you, and I hope you have understood some of the part of the story. Okay, in my next video I will try to complete the whole lesson. So till that, have a nice day and goodbye.